ada sa nga ili kayo, please allow me to read this. I think, may I introduce to you the former president of all municipal budget officers of Ilocos Sur is also the former federated president of Public Employment Service Office, that is the PESO, managers of Region 1. He recorded and made popular the original Ilocano songs, Suliso, My Dearest Heart, Sikat Tinubong Ko, Huy Sagot Arlong, Huy Sanger, Amado, Textmate, Charlie, I love you, Textmate, naman na, sikat sa timahilig si Textmate, Pasalo, and many more. He also composed the municipal hymn of Santa Lucia, Ilocos Sur, and the basi song of San Ildefonso, Ilocos Sur. He also composed and recorded the NBN4 local cable TV of the province of Ilocos Sur, the first Ilocano composer and singer at the same time to have composed and recorded more or less than 70 original Ilocano songs. Kudos to you. And now we arranged, composed, and recorded the Pagsanaan song of Barangay Suso, Santa Maria, the maker and composer of quality political jingles of most politicians of Abra, La Union, Ilocos Norte, and Ilocos Sur. And he traveled abroad like Hong Kong for an Ilocano concert sponsored by Santa Lucia Hong Kong Association and Abra Tingyan, I think this is Tingyan, Ilocano Society or ATIS. Ladies and gentlemen, the pride of Ilocos Sur, the pride of Ilocania, composer and recording artist, Mr. Monroe Vallejo.
Thank you. Baka yung aming himakay ako. Sabay mo ba na maling-lingay kayo? Ay gandang ang inuran ko. Ayong ni Ayat kay ganda nun na. Nagtaot ko'y puso kenrik na. Di na't tumadi na't man makita. Ko'y di nagtudumanong tanin na. Panagiaman ko, tingin niyo, ragsap ko no'n liwliwayo. Ay iinspirasyon ko. So all my songs are just for you. Thank you. Inspirasyon ko may palaon ni Best of Monroe Vallejo, released by Aquarius Records and Tapes. Suportahan niyo mga boy. I'm very glad. Ado na gini babalikbayan. I have my limited copies there of my CD, original book. You can buy. Ang lago ako ng mga pinara, you can buy directly from me mamaya. Okay? Thank you. Ayong ni Ayat ngay dandanong na. Nagtaot ko'y pusong kenrik na. Di na't tumadi na't man makita. Ko'y di na't tumanong tanin na. one of the first that have already composed and recorded, composer and singer. 70 original Ilocano songs. Suportaran nyo ka mga po. Ado pa kan kanta kayo nyo ba? Okay, inakupang mig madamdaman niya po, nagay kinumpos ko nga pagsanaan. Wow, very touching. Nagpintas gayang istorya ti Suso Santa Maria. Diyak amo nga adto'y gayang ti pag-aramidan pa'y kanagigasin. Nga before nga nagituloy, sir, lang sartin niya, nagtagal na pamanigyar ni DCTV. Hindi ka nakuntaway niya mo nagprograma niya DCTV, nang ganyan na gini programa. Kaya niya, ayak lagi pensionata ni Monro Callejo. Ngayon hindi ko ano pa may sakpa lang di election. Apo, nagtakal ng importante election. Campaign songs. Sana tinawan ng election. Okay,